Hello, my name is Jared Hill. I'm coming out of Wilmington, Delaware. Um, um, I just don't know how to respond to it. I mean, I just don't understand. I mean, Donald Sterling. I mean, I can't watch it. Like, look, I'm watching it right now on TV. Like, majority of this guy's team is black. Like, and from my perspective, I mean, I'm black myself. I don't appreciate it. I mean, how could you be racist to somebody where I mean, we're not bad people. Black people, I mean, he can't boost the stereotype. We're not bad. And my heart goes out to Chris Paul, Danny Granger, DeAndre Jordan, Jamal Crawford, Glenn Davis, Darren Collison, Jared Dudley, Reggie Bullock, Ryan Hollins, Willie Green. My heart goes out to y'all because, I mean, I know it hurts. Like, y'all busting y'all ass every day. And I'm 16 years old. I mean, I used to want to play basketball, but nah, I mean, I don't, I mean, I'm not a Clippers fan. I don't even watch basketball like that. I just like it. I mean, just to do to be active. You feel me? I'm a football player. Go to Concord High School. I mean, it's just bullshit. Like, I don't understand how people can be racist because I was a victim of racism. People look at me and boost the stereotype because I have tattoos and whatnot. I mean, I'm not a bad person. I don't deflect my spirit, who I am. You feel me? My heart goes out to y'all, and I love y'all. Y'all keep y'all head up.